Assalamu alaikum junior 2, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your health and doing your work properly. Beta, make sure कि do your work according to your given lecture. It will be very helpful to you. Okay, now yesterday we have started our new topic, two sounds of U. I am giving you information that one sound of U is an open sound, the other sound of U is like that of Y. I hope you have done your work on your book, page number 8, exercise A. Now move on its B part. Speak each word. Write the sound of its U under it. बेटा अब आपने ये वर्ड्स को पढ़ना है और उसके नीचे लिखना है कि वो यू की कौन सी साउंड है. यू की साउंड है जो एज अ ओपन साउंड यूज़ होती है, या यू की वो साउंड है जो एज अ वाई साउंड यूज़ होती है. Now move on. Number 1, look at this word up. UP, up. Beta, it's a open sound. You have to write open sound under its word up. OPEN, open, SOUND, sound, open sound. Next है union. Next word is union. Union is a sound of Y. You have to write Y. Under. Under. This is also open sound. Open sound. Utter. Utter. This is also open sound. Next है unit. Unit. This is sound of Y. Sound of Y. Umbrella. Umbrella, it's open sound. Us. Us, open sound. Umpire. Umpire. Umpire, this is also an open sound. University. University. University, Y sound. Union. Union, this is also Y sound. Move on next part C. Look at each picture. Write the word for it. Also write the sound of U. बेटा आप हर एक पिक्चर को देखें, उसके नीचे लिखें कि वो वर्ड क्या है, और उस वर्ड को लिखने के बाद आपने बताना है कि उसकी साउंड ऑफ यू क्या है. साउंड ऑफ यू उसकी ओपन साउंड है या साउंड ऑफ यू उसकी लाइक दैट ऑफ वाई है. So number 1 picture is your highness. This picture is your highness. Your highness. So it's a sound of Y. It's a sound of Y. Next है urinal. 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 It's a sound of Y. Umbrella. 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 It's a open sound. Umbrella. Next word is upper. Upper, it is also an open sound. Beta, complete these parts B and C on your book and practice them at your home. Thank you so much.